Eto mainit pa yung isang teammate na naman namin, magre-resign na naman. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero I think it's probably dun sa team lead namin. And I'm not gonna talk about yung story, I'm not gonna talk about yung in-depth, pero I think it's yun lang, it's just about of her not able to report to work yesterday kasi nga she's asking for working from home kasi galing siya ng sick leave for 2 days and then she wants to work from home instead, which is she's also sa scheduled for working from home yesterday. However, since naka-sick leave nga siya, so pinapasok nga siya ng team lead namin and I don't know what happened after that, but boy, dala-dala niya na yung equipment sa bahay, yung setup sa bahay ng work from home niya. Isasa-OLE niya na ngayon. And I think what she said was she also gave submitted her resignation letter. So, I think nakahanap na rin siya ng part-time or like full-time job, work from home with another broker or firm kasi kinuha siya na as a VA, virtual assistant. Kaya nga guys, try nyo mag-virtual assistant as a mortgage broker support kasi marami kang options ngayon, marami kang pwedeng makita online, sa JobStreet, sa LinkedIn na pwedeng kang mag-apply and the compensation is pretty good. So if you want to learn how to be a virtual assistant as a mortgage broker support sa Australia, please let me know or comment down below, okay? So, yun, umalis na nga siya. So, she's gonna start, I think, December 1 dun sa company and she already had, I think she'll have a broker already. I don't know how many, pero probably at least minimum of one, syempre. And I think what you have to do kung mag-mortgage broker support ka, since marami kang options before you even resign, is make sure you shop around. Hanap ka ng mga broker na maganda. Hanap ka ng mga companies na fits your values ultimately. Culture is good, at the same time compensation is good. Okay, so those are really important. Okay,